Hey everyone, welcome to Weller. Today I'll show you what to do if your Windows 10 mouse is slow or glitchy. First, open the device manager. Look for your mouse here. Here's mine. Right-click it and try updating the drivers. If no drivers show up, you can also check the properties. You can try to find or manually install drivers too. If that doesn't work, go to mouse settings. Here are extra mouse and pointer settings. Uncheck this box. Then click Apply. That's it. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. All the best and good luck. See you later.